Hi friend, before you book your e-bike with RideOnE E, let me quickly explain how it works. E-bikes are available for collection and return from our workshop, or we can deliver your booking direct to your hotel, ferry terminal, or other hotspot in and around Perth. Check out the map on the website for common drop-off points. We can schedule handover for you at almost any time between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m, depending on the other deliveries and handovers scheduled on that day. To book with delivery, make sure you select the Delivery tab at the top of the booking page before choosing your bikes. Take your pick from our range of bikes and select your dates. If the dates aren't showing as available, then that bike is fully booked at that time. Try selecting another bike for your dates. Wearing a helmet is a mandatory legal requirement when riding a bike in Australia. Feel free to BYO or add helmets to your booking. The basket add-on option is also a great way to carry your sunscreen, water, snacks, bike locks, and other important goodies for the day. All our bikes meet Australian pedal assist e-bike standards. As you pedal, they will add power to your forward roll up to the speed of 25 kilometres per hour. Only some of our bikes are ferry compatible with removable batteries and tyres less than 6 cm in width. But all bikes are well suited for the River District and Perth Hills nature trails, so please select from the relevant bikes best suited to your riding location. You can book for a day or up to a week. We have accessories such as toddler trailers and bike carriers to help you build the perfect solution for your adventure. After your booking is submitted, we'll reach out to confirm handover times and locations. So what are you waiting for? Extend your next adventure with an e-bike from RideOnE E. See you out there soon.